Good morning, everyone. Today is another day of fun and meaningful learning in our subject, mathematics. And today, we'll be going to learn about skip counting. So we all know that counting is a very important practice that we should acquire in order for us to tell or to know the exact amount of the particular things or particular object. So skip counting. So what is skip counting? So skip counting is a method of counting forward by numbers other than 1. So to skip count means to count by skipping to a particular number of places in the counting sequence. So now we're going to talk to you on how to skip count by 2s, by 5s, and by 10s. Okay. So skip counting by 2s. So in skip counting by 2s, we're going to add number 2 for each counting. So in such manner that the counting is represented in alternate numbers. So we have here in number line. So in order to skip count by 2s, so we're going to start from the number 0. So we're going to add 2 to the previous number. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. So since the 2 is our previous number, so we're going to add 2. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, and so on. So in counting by 2s, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So we have here a table chart on how to skip count by 2s. So the highlighted one are those numbers that we can count using the skip counting by 2s. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. So now let's proceed to skip count by 5s. So when we're going to count skipping 5 number in between, then we skip count by 5. So skip counting by 5 is the same process also in skip counting by 2s. But in here, we're going to still start from the number 0 and then skip to the number 5. And in order for us to skip to the number 5, so we're going to add 5 to the previous number. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Then 5, another add to 5 is 10. Then 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. And so on. So that's how we skip count by 5s. So we have here a table chart on those numbers that we will encounter as we skip count by 5s. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and so on. So now let's proceed to skip count by 10s. So when we skip by 10 in between while counting the number, so then it is said to skip counting by 10. So we have here a line number on how to skip count by 10. So first, we're going to start from the number 0. Then 0, then we skip count to the number 10. And to skip count to number 10, so we're going to add 10 to the previous number. So 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Then 10 plus 10 is 20. Then 20 plus 10 is 30. Then 30 plus 10 is 40. And 40 plus 10 is 50, and so on. So we have here a table chart on how we skip count by 10. So focus on the highlighted numbers. So those are the numbers that we're going to encounter when we're going to skip count by tens. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So skip counting. So these are skip counting by 2s, 5, and 10s. So these are those numbers that we're going to encounter if we're going to skip count by these numbers. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Those are the numbers that we'll be going to encounter as we skip count by 2s. In skip count by 5s, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. While in skip count by 10, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So now, I will discuss to you also on how to skip count backwards. So when we perform backwards skip count, so it means to subtract a particular number. So we have here a line number on how to skip count backwards. So let's start from the number. Skip count by 2, so start from 12. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Then let's subtract for the previous number. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Then 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Then 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. So here we're going to skip count backwards. So we have 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 0. So in skip count backwards by 5s, so let's start from the number 15 here in our example. So we're going to subtract by 5 to each numbers. To the previous number. So we have 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So 10 is our previous number. We're going to subtract another 5 in it. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. So to skip count by 5 backwards, so we have 15, 10, 5, and 0. Then, in skip count backward by 10, so in our example, it starts from the number 20. So, we're going to subtract by 10. So, 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Then 10 minus 10 is 0. So, we have 20, 10, and 0. So class, I have here an activity. So I want you to apply the learning that you gain about skip counting. Okay? So, on the first picture, we have a marbles. So in a skip count by 2, so how many groups of 2 are there if we're going to skip, we're going to apply skip count by twos. Okay. So there are 4 group of twos using the skip count by twos. So in the cupcake, so there are 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 cupcakes. So using the skip count by twos, so how many group of twos are there? Okay, very good. There are 5 group of twos. We're going to count using the skip count by twos on the cupcakes. So let's proceed to skip count by 5. Okay, so we have here a cherry. So it's going to count how many cherries are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are 30 cherry. So using the skip count by 5s, can you tell me how many group of 5 are there? Okay, very good. So there are 6 group of cherries using the skip count by 5s. So let's also proceed to skip count by 10. So we have here a jar of marbles. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 jars of marbles. So how many groups of 10 are there? Right, very good. There are 7 groups of marbles there in using the skip count by 10s. So I hope you learned about how to skip count by 2s, by 5s, and 10s. So that's all for today, and goodbye.